Glendale homeowners take pride in maintaining their home's appearance and functionality. However, one critical aspect often overlooked is the condition of your doors. Doors play a crucial role in enhancing curb appeal, ensuring security, and maintaining energy efficiency. Knowing when it's time to replace your doors can save you money, improve comfort, and add value to your home. Here are the top signs it's time for door replacement in Glendale homes. Difficulty opening and closing. Doors should open and close smoothly without requiring excessive force. If you find yourself struggling to operate your doors, it may indicate issues such as warping, swelling, or misalignment. Glendale's hot, dry climate can exacerbate these problems, especially with older wooden doors. A replacement ensures that your doors function effortlessly, improving convenience and security. Visible damage or deterioration. Cracks, dents, or peeling paint are clear signs that a door has seen better days. Over time, exposure to Glendale's intense sunlight and occasional monsoon storms can cause significant wear and tear. Damaged doors not only detract from your home's appearance but can also compromise security and insulation. Modern, durable materials such as fiberglass or steel are excellent replacements that resist weathering and look great for years. Drafts and poor insulation. Feeling a draft near your doors? This is a common sign that the seals or the door itself is no longer providing proper insulation. In Glendale's hot summers, this can lead to higher cooling costs as your HVAC system works overtime to compensate. Energy-efficient doors with advanced sealing technologies help maintain a consistent indoor temperature and reduce energy bills. Moisture damage and rot. Monsoon rains can cause moisture damage to wooden doors, leading to rot, swelling, or mold growth. If your door shows signs of water damage, it's time to replace it with a moisture-resistant option. Fiberglass and composite doors are excellent choices for Glendale's climate as they withstand moisture without compromising their integrity. Outdated design in your doors significantly impact your home's curb appeal. An outdated or mismatched design can make your home appear less attractive. Replacing your doors with modern styles and finishes can enhance your home's aesthetic and increase its market value. Customizable options allow you to choose designs that complement your home's architecture and personal taste. Increased noise levels. If you're noticing more noise from outside, it's a sign your doors are no longer providing adequate sound insulation. High-quality replacement doors are designed to reduce noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Security concerns. Old or damaged doors can be a security risk. Worn-out locks, weakened materials, or misaligned frames make it easier for intruders to gain access. Upgrading to a new door with advanced locking mechanisms and durable materials improves your home's security and gives you peace of mind. High energy bills. Rising energy costs could be linked to inefficient doors. If your doors are not properly sealed or insulated, they allow conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to seep in. Energy-efficient doors, often made with insulated cores and low-E glass, for doors with windows, can make a noticeable difference in your energy usage. Why Glendale homeowners should act. Glendale's unique climate demands doors that can withstand extreme heat, UV exposure, and occasional storms. By replacing old or damaged doors with high-quality options, you can ensure your home remains comfortable, secure, and energy efficient. Additionally, many modern doors are designed to be low maintenance, saving you time and effort in upkeep. Features such as weather-resistant materials, durable finishes, and advanced hardware are tailored to handle Glendale's conditions, ensuring long-lasting performance. Choosing the right replacement doors. When selecting new doors, consider materials like fiberglass, steel, or vinyl for durability and energy efficiency. For an added touch of elegance, glass inserts or custom designs can elevate your home's look. Partner with a trusted local installer who understands Glendale's climate and building codes to ensure seamless installation. Enhance your home with a door upgrade. Replacing your doors is a smart investment that offers immediate and long-term benefits. From improving energy efficiency and security to boosting curb appeal, a door upgrade can transform your home. If you're experiencing any of the signs mentioned above, it's time to explore high-quality replacement options. Choose a professional installation service that prioritizes craftsmanship and customer satisfaction. With the right doors and expert installation, your Glendale home will be ready to face the elements in style and comfort.